You can create a fully monetizable 3D animated video without spending a single dollar. All you need is a free app you've probably overlooked, CapCut. I know what you are thinking, isn't that just a basic video editor? Not anymore. With its brand new AI video maker, CapCut has transformed into a complete animation studio you can carry in your pocket. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do here is signing up for CapCut. So hit the download button to install it on your computer. I have installed mine already. So you open CapCut. At the top, you will see the AI video maker options. So you can click to launch a new window. You can either start fresh with a new project or let the instant AI video feature build it for you automatically. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the new project route. Then you click on new project. When the project screen opens, you will have the option to paste in your own script or create one using AI. So I will choose create with AI. Here you will simply type your topic, that is the title of your story, then add a key point. So I have already written mine, so I will paste it in like this. For this example, my title is The Gears of His Dream. So I want to paste it like this. The key point is just the summary of your story or the cogent thing that happened in your story. You can just input it here. And that is what I'm doing. Next, I want to pick the duration of the video I want to generate. You can choose anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. I'm going to pick 3 minutes. The next feature is a powerful one. You can instruct the AI to mimic writing style of a particular storyline. You can as well make extract or you can pull from existing video you like. You can upload a simple video for you to learn from. For this demonstration, I'm using a 3D Disney Pixar-style narrative, but this is optional though. So if you have extra instruction, you can add them, then click create. The AI will write your detailed script. So after writing your full script, you can review it carefully. If you're satisfied, then you click use. If you are not satisfied with this, you click create again to generate a new version. You can also find two individual lines by selecting rewrite and choosing options like improve, make longer or make shorter. I am pleased with the script, so I want to move on to voiceover. On the right hand side, under scenes, I'll find the voiceover tab. If your video needs an avatar, you can pick one from the library or make your own. But for this project, I'm skipping the avatar. Next, under voices, choose your language. In my case, I want to choose English and select the voice you like. So you can play around with this voice, you listen to it and pick your choice. I'm going to pick this voice, good guy, because it sounds excellent. So click apply to all scenes. So the voice plays throughout the video. You can also create a custom voice if you are not pleased with the available voices. Once you have added the voice over and the voice is set, it is time to add the media. So now let's go to the media. We click media and you will see three options here. One is generate AI media. Here you want to choose your aspect ratio. We are going to be choosing 16:9 aspect ratio, which is for YouTube. You can as well choose a style. There are options: realistic films, futuristic style, 3D cartoon. So I'm going to choose 3D cartoon. So apply it to all scenes and all the AI will create visual from the script. So you can also create your folktales here or any style you want to choose here. You can pick it from here. So apply it to all scenes and the AI will create visual from the script. Another option under media is match your media. Here you upload your own visuals and let the AI sync them with the script and voiceover. And we have the last one under media, match stock media. Here you can browse CapCut's built-in library of stock footage and you can use it. But we are using AI, generate AI media. So that's why we picked the first one, which is generate AI media. The AI generated images are ready. Look at it. So impressive. Look at the consistency. Wow, how cool is this? Or what do you think about these things? This is CapCut generating fantastic images like this. And guess what? I'm using free version of CapCut right now. Add on, if you want me to create a video to put you through how to create this with your phone, kindly drop create in the comment space and I will create that as soon as possible. So if you want to preview it, click on a scene, choose replace and open the image. You can see the resolution of the image. No worries. When we want to export it, we are going to export it in high resolution. If you want to change an image, you can edit through text description. Note, there is a 1500 character limit for description, so you can glance through the images. If you want variation instead of editing the text, click generate to create a new one. CapCut AI Maker will generate 4 samples for you. So if you like it, you click apply scene to swap it in. Then it will replace the previous image. How cool is this? With the voiceover and the visuals in place, let us head to elements. Here you can toggle things like keywords, stickers, sound effects, transition, and subtitles. I will turn off the keywords and stickers, the sound effect and visual effect. So I'm going to toggle it on. I want it to reflect on my video. So I will set intensity to medium and then I will apply it to the whole video. Next is background music. So we are going to click music. Search for the vibe you want. So I search storytelling. Listen to it. I have found this. It fits perfectly. So apply it. Then I want to adjust its volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. And that is what I'm doing right now. So once everything is in place, the scripting, the visual, voiceover, video effects, sound effect, and background music, you can now click edit more to move to the desktop editing interface. Here you will see your timeline with music, voiceover effects, clips, and caption. This is amazing. You need to try this out while it's still very free to use. So this is the timeline most of us are familiar with when using CapCut to edit your project. Here you can edit more if necessary. So I start by removing sound effects that don't fit. So let's listen to this.
His dreams as vast as the starry sky above. Every morning, Han would wait for the gentle clucking of hens and
the bird sound is high, so I want to reduce it. You can see.
Every morning, Han would wait for the gentle clucking of hens.
So I want to add a bank door opening sound effect. So go to sound effect and pick the bank effect and drop it here, right here. Then reduce its volume.
Dash out of his family's modest hut, eager to dive into his world of invention. The village was his playground.
Then I want to add transition for smoother scene changes. So just click transition, browse the option, and stretch them slightly for better flow.
Roaring of imaginary gears. Tun's eyes sparkled with the same intensity as the fire.
So the next thing we want to add animation. For animation, open media, then AI media. You can use CapCut's free credit for AI animation, but it is limited. So once it is exhausted, you can subscribe for pro version. So to animate, locate your image file. You can drag it into the AI media tool or right click on the image and pick image to video. Then the image appears here. So you need to describe the motion. And choose your setting. So I will set mine for about 5 seconds. Then I'll pick 16:9 ratio. Then click generate. So let's wait for it. So you can see the animation shows the boy repairing the radio. You can see this is super cool. So you can repeat this for other key scenes, but you need to have pro version for you to have access to more image animation. Once you are satisfied, you click export. So choose your resolution. I will export in 4K for quality. You can name your file and save it. It is now ready for YouTube. That is how I made high quality monetizable 3D animated video entirely with free AI tools. No expensive software, no special equipment, and no team. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorials like this. And if you still want more tutorial on how to create monetizable AI videos, check the video YouTube recommended for you. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
In the heart of a sun-drenched village, where the air hummed with the melody of distant drums and the scent of ripe mangoes, lived a boy named Tund. His fingers were perpetually stained with grease, and his mind buzzed with the whirring of imaginary gears. Tund's eyes sparkled with the same intensity as the fireflies that danced in the twilight, his dreams as vast as the starry sky above. Every morning, Tund would wake to the gentle clucking of hens and the rustling of palm fronds. He'd dash out of his family's modest hut, eager to dive into his world of invention. The village was his playground, and discarded objects were his treasures. With nimble fingers and boundless creativity, he breathed new life into broken radios, coaxing tinny music from their battered speakers. Toy cars, crafted from scrap metal and pure imagination, zoomed across the dusty earth, leaving trails of laughter in their wake. But as the seasons changed and Tund grew, so did his aspiration. The village, once a universe of possibility, began to feel like a cocoon he had outgrown. His parents, seeing the fire of ambition in their son's eyes, made the bittersweet decision to send him to the city. The night before his departure, Tund lay awake, his heart pounding with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. The journey to the city was a kaleidoscope of new sights and sounds. As the rickety bus wound its way through lush forests and sprawling farmlands, Tund pressed his nose against the window, drinking in every detail. When the first skyscrapers appeared on the horizon, jutting into the clouds like metal giants, his breath caught in his throat. The city was a cacophony of life, a stark contrast to the gentle rhythms of his village. Cars honked impatiently, their engines growling like hungry beasts. Neon signs flickered and pulsed, painting the night in electric hues. Tund felt like a small boat adrift in a vast, turbulent ocean, yet beneath the overwhelming tide of new experiences, a current of determination kept him afloat. It wasn't long before Tund discovered a small workshop tucked away in a maze of narrow alleys. The air inside was thick with the scent of motor oil and possibility. Here, he found kindred spirits, other young dreamers with grease-stained hands and fire in their hearts. Together, they bent metal to their will, coaxing life into cold machinery. Under the guidance of weathered mentors and alongside his new friends, Tund's skills flourished like wildflowers after the rain. He learned to weld, his hands steady as he fused metal with liquid fire. Motorcycles that once sputtered and coughed roared back to life under his touch. And finally, the day came when Tund stood back, wiping sweat from his brow, to admire his first real machine, a contraption of his own design, born from blueprints that had once existed only in his mind. As the sun set over the city skyline, painting the world in warm hues of orange and pink, Tund realized that this bustling metropolis, with all its chaos and wonder, had become the canvas for his dreams. Here, amidst the clamor and the grime, the gears of his imagination had finally found their perfect rhythm.